loud inside my head. Every fear I thought was dead, but something stronger held me tight. A quiet thread of inner light.
I made it through, I made it out. Through every fear, through every doubt. The dark was real, but so was truth. I made it through. I saw the weight you tried to hide, all the storms you kept inside. I didn't know what I could say, so I just chose to stay. Not to fix or take control, just to stand there in the hole, hoping somehow you could feel you were always real.
Voices try to pull me low, echoes of what I don't know.
I was there though you couldn't see, holding space quietly. I'm stronger than the sound of fear, stronger than what brought me here. Even when it all falls down, I'm stronger than the sound. You don't have to stand alone, you were never on your own.
Everything I thought was sure turned to questions, nothing pure. But underneath the shifting sand, I found a place where I could stand.
On unshaken ground I stand, not by chance but by my hand. And I was there beside you then, through the loss, through the bend. You don't see it like I do, all the strength that lives in you. Even when you felt erased, I still saw your place. You were fighting just to breathe, still becoming underneath. And every step you thought you lost, you were stronger than the cost. I try to hold it all inside, every tear I used to hide. But something broken, let it begin. That's how the light got in, yeah. I saw the light break through, every crack revealing you. You were never meant to fall, you were rising through it all. Every tear and every scar, every time you fell too far. Nothing wasted, nothing gone. You were stronger all along. I'm stronger than the sound of fear, stronger than what brought me here. Even when it all falls down, I'm stronger than the sound. I'm right here beside you now. I was then, I won't back down. I made it through, you didn't have to alone.